2012 Chevy Avalanche 5.3 liter V8. My favorite color, blue, 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 blue. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single, and it's got the dreaded third cat right there. Then what we did is straight pipe duals with a Y pipe. All the way back, 2 1/4 tailpipes into 5-inch tips. Mandrel bent. Came out absolutely beautiful. Look at that beautiful beast. Just a really nice truck all the way around. There it is. That's how you dual them out. And now we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Chevy Avalanche. Oh yeah, much better. Those tips make a huge difference. Give it gas. Sound decibels. One more. Right at 105. Not too bad. I think it sounds beautiful. Sounds magnificent, man. It's a beautiful truck too. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Avalanche.